Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into HubSpot Marketing Hub for lead nurturing workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.hubspot.com and press enter. Once the HubSpot homepage loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the HubSpot login page. Here, enter your email address associated with your HubSpot account. After entering your email, click the Next button. On the following page, input your password. After entering your password, click the Login button to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot My Password link and follow the prompts to reset it. Once logged in, navigate to the Marketing Hub from the main dashboard. Look for the Marketing option in the top navigation menu. Hover over Marketing to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Lead Nurturing. In the Lead Nurturing section, you will find options for workflows, emails, and more. To create or manage workflows, click on Workflows. On the Workflows page, you'll see existing workflows and the option to create a new. To create a new workflow, click the Create Workflow button. Choose your workflow type based on your needs, such as standard or start from scratch. Once you select a type, click Next to proceed. You will then enter a name for your workflow to easily identify it later. After naming your workflow, click Create Workflow to continue. Next, define your triggers by selecting the criteria that will start this workflow. You can choose from options like form submissions or contact properties. After setting your triggers, click Save. Now, add your actions to the workflow by clicking Add Action. Select the action, configure the settings for your chosen action, then click Save. Repeat this process to add more actions as needed. Once you have set up all desired actions, review your workflow for any adjustments. To activate your workflow, click the Review button at the top right. After confirming everything is correctly set, click Turn On to enable the workflow. Your workflow is now live, ready to nurture leads as per your specifications. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.